Oh, hey, it's me, Eric Lindstrom, the Skeptical Vegan, here to show you how to draw cartoons.
All right, hit it.
If you're coming to DC VegFest, and I sure hope you are, August 11th at Nats Park in Washington, D.C., you'll get to meet me, but you'll also get to learn how to draw cartoon farm animals. That's right, I'm going to be in the kids zone, drawing pigs, drawing chickens, drawing cows, maybe taking requests, but I hope to see you there. So what I want to do today is show you how to draw farm animals. One of the best parts about cartooning that I love is that you can do it on any surface with anything that writes. So I'm going to prove that today by using 2 crayons and the back of this huge box. So when I teach cartooning to kids and to adults, I like to show them that with these 3 shapes you can draw anything in the world. So if you can draw a circle, a square, and a triangle, the 3 simplest sort of primary shapes, you can draw literally everything. Of course, variations on each of these. Circles have ovals, squares have rectangles, triangles can become diamonds or longer and stretched out triangles. So by starting there, we can draw literally anything in the world, but I'm going to draw a farm animal. So today, what we want to do is draw a pig. So I will start by drawing a big circle. That's simple. Another circle. Another circle, another circle. You can sort of see where this is going. 2 ovals, 2 triangles, and you've got the start of your pig. So once you have these elements in place, again, you could draw circles, couldn't you? You could draw triangles, couldn't you? You have the beginnings of your pig. So from here, what we do is just go over the lines with a different color in this case. Taking the lines that we want, taking the shapes that we want, making this look like a cartoon of a pig. So there we go. There's the pig head. So put a little smile on him, give him a little more hair up top, put another triangle, another triangle, another triangle. Of course he wants to wear a necktie. This box is very funny, by the way. I love the fact that it's creating these really, really wiggly lines. So there you go. There's your pig. Very dapper. Maybe give him a couple of rectangles up here to turn into glasses. So again, those were just rectangles. And then since there's already this square up here, I might as well just turn that into a nice little hat for our pig. So there we go. Very sophisticated, very smart looking pig. I'll draw one more. Let me turn this gigantic empty box around and let's do a chicken. So we start again with the simplest shapes. Circle, circle, and your triangle. That was pretty simple, wasn't it? So from there we take our darker color, in this case black, and we fill in the blanks. So now that triangle with just a couple of simple lines has become the beginnings of a beak. Up top here, actually we'll draw 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. Looks like rollers, like she's just getting her hair done. But if you draw over those rollers, you can see how easily we can create the top of the chicken's head. So the chicken's eye will go here. Again, circle, circle, circle. Maybe give the chicken some eyelashes and fill in the front of the chicken's head and then come down here for the rest of the chicken's head. Maybe put some feathers in here, a little bit of shading if you want. But for the neck, obviously, again, you can just draw a very simple rectangle, fill that in, give the little decorative feathers under the neck, and there you go, your chicken head. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Hope you learned a thing or two about how simple shapes can become simple things in the world of cartooning. And again, I will be at DC VegFest on August 11th at Nats Park doing this for kids. There's going to be crayons and drawing pads, and I'll be doing it all on an easel, drawing farm animals, maybe taking some requests. But hope you've enjoyed the video, and thanks for tuning in.